Hello friends, this is Amit from Waya team. Today is 26th of February and I'm here to provide you with our weekly report. Before we start, I'm very pleased to announce that we have crossed the 1000 subscriber mark in just 2 weeks. This is a huge milestone for us and I want to thank you all for your support. We will ensure to not let you down using our services. As an update on our calls, our buy call of Zinzar Technology achieved 10% in 7 days and we gave an exit this week. We did not issue any buy call as the market are not conducive for any fresh buying. Nifty declined by 2.7%, Bank Nifty was down by 3%, and Midcap declined by 2%. There are umpteen number of breakouts which are getting failed. None of the buying ideas passed any of our technology criteria. Hence, please stay tuned. Last thing we want is a call which do not work. Technically, Nifty has formed a long bearish candle on weekly charts and the current structure looks weak. A downside towards 17,100 is possible in the short term. On the higher side, a crucial resistance is placed at 17,800. Highlighting couple notes from the Dalal Street. Hotels are witnessing robust growth in Q3. The occupancy rate for the industry stood at 65% in the third quarter, little lower than pre-COVID levels, and is expected to surpass the pre-COVID levels in the coming quarters on the back of strong demand drivers such as wedding season, IPL 2023, ICC ODI Cricket World Cup, and the Football League ISL. The stock prices of the top four hotel companies, which is India Hotels, EIH Limited, Lemon Tree, and Chalet Hotels, have all outperformed Sensex this year. Earnings in this sector is going to be buoyant over the next 3 quarters. So you can look to invest in dips and hold the stocks for longer term to make good gains. The second note which we wanted to highlight was about Minda Corporation Limited. A leading automotive component maker has acquired a 15.7% stake in rival Precol Limited. This move by Minda is considered to be a hostile takeover attempt of Precol Limited. This is because the promoter group of Precol has earlier declined buyout offers from Minda. The street is particularly more worried about Minda Corporation's poor capital allocation strategy, as it has utilized a large chunk from cash balances to fund its Precol investment. It could have deployed these proceeds in a more effective manner that would have improved its overall return on invested capital, which is not the case with investment in Precol. Key takeaway here is acquisition, whether it's done partially or full, does not always result in a rise in stock price of a company. A takeover can be beneficial for a company if it is done at the right time for the right reason. Hence, do not invest with just the news without getting into details. Let me now discuss the international market to gain insights what is happening across the globe. The US stock market suffered its biggest decline in 10 weeks. Investors are concerned that higher inflation could lead to higher interest rates. Shares in Europe dropped today as the latest economic data and the corporate earning reports exceeded expectation, raising the possibility that central banks would continue to increase the interest rates. Japanese equity had a rough week as Nikkei index ended the week down by 0.22%. Chinese stocks rose after 3 weeks of losses, signaling that investors are optimistic about the possibility of further regulatory support from the government. Despite rising tension between China and United States, investors remain hopeful that the Chinese government will continue to provide support for their stock market. One can watch out sectors like capital goods, defense, and IT. We are closely watching stocks like Dreamfolks, Datamatics, Zen Technologies, Thermax, and HBL Power. That's pretty much for today. Have a profitable week ahead. We will be in touch when we see a buying idea. Good night, folks.